Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to find rental properties on Realtor.com so you can navigate the 2026 market with professional precision, filter for studio quality apartments and homes, and candidly secure your next residence in a renter-friendly landscape. Let's get into it. First, access the rental search interface. The first step is moving from the general homeownership portal to the specialized 2026 rental technical environment. In 2026, Realtor.com has updated its UI to make switching between buy and rent a mechanical necessity for high-end market analysis. From the home screen, click on the Rent tab in the top navigation bar. Type in your target city, zip code, or neighborhood. Press Enter to load the interactive map and listing sidebar. By explicitly selecting the rental portal, you trigger the 2026 technical engine to prioritize lease-specific data, such as security deposit requirements and pet policies, over mortgage-related info. Next, utilize Draw on Map and 2026 map layers. Once your area is loaded, you need to technically define your studio boundaries. In 2026, Realtor.com offers high-end map layers that help you candidly assess the neighborhood before you visit. Click the draw icon on the map and circle the exact blocks where you want to live. Open the Layers menu. Choose the noise level layer to ensure your 2026 recording studio or home office is in a quiet zone, or use the transit layer to check for professional commute times. In the 2026 market, location isn't just about the address, it's about the technical environment. These layers provide a professional studio perspective on daily life that amateur quality listings often hide. Next, apply professional lifestyle filters. To find the best deals in 2026, where median rents have stabilized around $1,672, you need to technically refine your search to exclude properties that don't meet your lifestyle script. Click the Filters button. Price range. Set your 2026 bookkeeping limit. Home type. Select apartments, houses, or condos. Check boxes for 2026 essentials like in-unit laundry, parking, and pet-friendly. Filtering is a professional standard. By selecting specific technical features, you candidly narrow down the thousands of listings to the high-end few that are actually ready for your 2026 move-in. And that's pretty much it. To find your next rental on Realtor.com in 2026, start by selecting the Rent tab and entering your zip code or city. Use the Draw on Map tool and noise map layers to pinpoint a high-end neighborhood. Then apply specific lifestyle filters for 2026 essentials, like in-unit laundry. Utilize virtual tours for a look at the technical layout, and finally, schedule your tour and submit your professional application details. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.